Welcome to Perfect Productions, where design meets precision. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to perfectly remove the background of a glass bottle in Photoshop the right way. Transparent objects can be tricky, but with this technique, you'll get clean, natural-looking results every time. Let's start by opening our glass bottle image in Photoshop. Glass is different. It reflects and refracts light. That's why we use Selection tool for remove the background and delete the first layer of the image. Naturally, glass is transparent, but the sticker or cap attached to it is not transparent. That is why separate the solid part from the glass with the help of Selection tool. Now you can see there is a different layer for each object. So let's leave the sticker and cap layers for now and work with the bottle layer. We are trying to give transparent effect on the bottle. So first we will make 3 copies of the bottle layer. Now focus on it. This is important for the transparent effect. So we will keep the first layer in multiply mode, keep the second layer also in multiply mode, and reduce its opacity by 50%. Or we will keep the third layer in luminosity mode. Now you can see the FX option in the lower part of the layer panel. By going there, we will choose the blending option and move the current layer to the back and make it separate by Alt+click and make the opacity 75%. Now press OK. Now let's go to the fourth layer. We will bring it to a simple soft light mode and reduce the opacity by 50%. Now you can see the final result. And that's it. A clean, professional background removal of a transparent glass bottle. No white halos, no jagged edges, just pixel-perfect masking. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and follow Perfect Productions for more high-level Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching.